In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own QR code. So if you want to have your QR code for your presentation slide deck, or you want to add this to your business card or to a leaflet or any other purpose that comes to your mind, you want to have your QR code that will not expire, then this is the way to go. So let's get started. In order to actually create a QR code, you are going to need to have your Canva. So if you don't have Canva, just start your account and you're going to be ready for this particular task. So in order to start, we need to create a design. So I'm going to click in the upper left corner here, and you can choose whatever format or size you want. I'm just going to go for a custom size and 1200 pixels and 1200 pixels, boom. And I have my blank design. So in order to find the QR code generator, you need to go to apps here on the left in menu in Canva. As you can see here, the apps is visible here. If you would like to get more valuable information about B2B sales and marketing, join our email broadcast where we share resources with valuable information, marketing tricks and case studies of successful campaigns, proven scenarios for B2B sales, useful tools, and a ton more to help you improve your sales and marketing game and generate more leads. Just click the link below to register and get more value instantly. If Canva in the meantime changed the UX for some reason, because they sometimes do it and you can get lost, then just look for apps and then you type in QR code, boom, and you have the first one, QR code generator. And this is super simple now. So I'm going to click on it. And once I click on it, I have the space to add my URL. I'm going to go for my website. I'm going to copy the URL. You can choose, of course, whichever URL you want. And I'm going to click generate code. And as you can see, I have my code ready. Of course, it's pretty basic and it looks a bit, I would say, sauté. So if you want to add a spin to it, you can always do that by clicking to add page at the bottom here. And as you can see, this page is now highlighted. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to go to the menu on the left and I'm going to go for design on the left. And after clicking design, I'm going to use the same search that I just used, the QR code. Boom. And as you can see here, Canva gives you a whole bunch of different templates for creating your QR code, taking your spin on your own QR code. I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to delete some of the things in here to prepare it. Okay. And now I'm going to just highlight this, choose a couple of my brand colors in order to make it more like branded with my own business colors. And I can choose a couple of things here and here. As you can see, it has the spin of Performance Digital, so this is great. I deleted this, but I'm going to actually change it. And I'm going to also add a website address. By the way, if you want to get to know how to create this branding kind of a thing in Canva, we have a separate tutorial on creating your own brand book in Canva. So these colors of yours will be accessible in seconds. If you want, you can check that out. And here I'm going to take this QR code. I'm going to put it in here, change the size a bit. Yeah, it fits nice. And as you can see, I have a design with my QR code. Great. I don't want to change any writing in here, but of course you can if you want. Yeah, I will change also the font just as it comes to mind. As you can see, I have my brand font here. And also here, boom, everything is now branded in my own colors. That's great. I'm going to go to share in the upper right corner and I'm going to click download right now. Once I click download, the file will of course be downloaded and I'm going to open the file. And as you can see, I have a nice looking file in here, PNG, that has my QR code with my website address in here. I hope that this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please make sure to subscribe to our channel, give me a thumbs up on this video. If you have any questions or anything else that you would like me to cover in the videos about Canva or about B2B sales and marketing and useful stuff that you can use in your marketing and sales efforts, make sure to leave the idea or a question in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to record something for you. Thanks for watching, have a great rest of your day, and I hope to see you soon.